Represent Hatchet all day, motherfucker. Don't fuck with the Juggalo, or you will have no life to take, because I'll kill your ass. I'll kill you. No, really, I will. Fuck with the Juggalo, I'll kill you. Seriously, I'm a Juggalo. I don't give no fucks. Look at all the fucks I give. None. That's how many fucks I give today. I like to say the word fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. So you can go fuck yourself. Need a bowl of fucking dicks. Yeah. You like my boots? They're pretty cute. Fuck the haters. They can eat a bowl of poop. And die in a hole. And get slowly tortured until they beg for their death. And then you just leave them to bleed. You got a problem? You got a problem? Huh? What? I think so, bitch. Well, fuck yourself. My word is my motherfucking bond. So short. Wanna go?
Not on camera.
There's two kitties over there. One's looking, one's eating. Breathe it in. Fucking holy smoke.